Welcome back, my dear subscribers, and even to all of the non-subscribers. Here I'm presenting the latest version. It's basically the latest prototype or third prototype of bike repair stand. So the main features of this one is, in comparison with previous model, is that at this point I design not having round jaw but rectangular shape because it's more easy to fit many different types of seat post diameters. Another feature is also that I had to reduce the length of the spring in here because the closing force is quite significant. So as well, it was necessary to extend in here this free gap for squeezing very big sizes of tubes. As we can see in here, you just press it down and the arm is closed. The main reason why I decided to do that is because the reason of previous prototype which failed at this section, because the second jaw was attached before on this area in here. It was hard to weld the pin on this side because there is no space. But this time I just made pin in here. I just put the pin inside like this. So it works fine. It cost me basically nothing. It's just square tubes, some hand work, and voila, we have new bike repair stand. An additional feature in here is that I extend the handlebar, so when you close the arm, you don't put the fingers or arm too much close to this area because you can damage your hand. It's still in the raw state, as you see. It's not painted yet. Maybe need to polish a little bit and brush the entire system, and then just need to install back on the in here. As you can see in here, I have one hole which actually corresponds with this hole on the arm. Just put some small M5 screw. This is basically with Torx head, like this. We just take the tool, squeeze it together. So when you need the yeah, that's it. When you need to, how to say, bend the arm, you just go in here, you untie this bolt, and of course then you can move arm by its inclination. So in here we have, for instance, different pipes. This is 27. This is the smallest one that it's used for, even oops, it fall down, even for the smallest bikes. and you see it holds very, very, very strongly. It will not get out. So another one, the biggest one, for instance, is this. It's 32 millimeters in diameter. So as well, we can try to put this together. The closing force is quite significant for this one, but it holds very tightly inside. And as you can see, everything is in order like it's supposed to be. So why I had to extend this free gap in here is just because of when you attach the diameter of tube like this, you see the spring is much or less to its maximum limit. Of course, if you want to put even bigger, let's say 35 or 36 millimeter of diameter, then you will have to cut maybe one revolution of spring away again, because otherwise it can happen that this spindle, it can be pushed outwards like this too much, and then it hits the edge in here. So far I'm very satisfied with the construction, and this one probably will go in the serial production, of course, with smoother edges painted. And yeah, I'm finally glad that I finished before New Year, because this was a project taking me a long time, not because it would be so complicated, but because I had to do all these elements by handcrafted drill. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just post down below. Bye bye.